Today's crochet letter of the day is B. B for baddie. And today's actually a 2-for-1 because I can also show you how to make the P while making the B. But on P day, I'm going to re-show you how to make the P. What you're going to do is chain 33. Then you're going to double crochet in the second stitch from your hook. So skip the first stitch. In the second stitch, do a double crochet. And then you're going to put 1 double crochet into the next 11 stitches. So in total, you will have 12 double crochet. After your 12 double crochet, we're going to go into the next stitch and we're going to do a double crochet, but halfway through, okay? So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, okay? After that, you're going to do it again. So you're going to do that same motion until you have 6 loops on your hook. All right, so I have 5 loops on my hook. I'm going to go into my next stitch, yarn over, insert my hook, pull through 2, and then pull through all because I have 6 stitches. Now we're going to double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Just 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. After that, we're going to double crochet 2 together 6 times, okay? So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, go to the next stitch, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the rest of the 3. So you're going to do that 5 more times. Now we're going to put a double crochet into our last 3 stitches. Let's turn our work over and we're going to kind of create like a P. And just for, future reference, this is how you make a P. So we're going to count down 4 from where we started. We're going to count down 4 stitches, and then we are going to, which 4 will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to slip stitch into that 4th stitch. After that, slip stitch into these 2 other stitches we have left over to finish connecting. So that was 1. And this might be a little awkward to do at first. And that's 2. So if you want to make a P, you stop here. Okay, so let's continue making our B. This next stitch, we're going to single crochet in. So right here, we're going to turn our P upside down, go into this next stitch, do a half. Then you're going to chain 9. After chaining 9, we're going to turn our work over again. And from the 3rd stitch from the bottom, that's where we're going to slip stitch. So I'm just going to find my 3rd stitch, 1, 2, 3. And that's where I am going to slip stitch into. Now I'm going to slip stitch the next 2 stitches down. And then I'm going to double crochet. So I'm going to turn my work, and I'm double crocheting into this chain that I just created in the next 3 stitches. Now I'm going to put 2 double crochet in the next 6 stitches, okay? So this is the first stitch, and I'm putting 2 double crochet into that same stitch. Next stitch, 2 double crochet. So again, 2 double crochet in the next 6 stitches. You've done your 2 double crochet in those 6 stitches, then you're going to find a place to slip stitch on the side. So I'm just going to go right here. Maybe that'll look good. Slip stitch, chain 1, cut, leave a small tail to weave your ends in. Now we have our A and we have our B, and I also showed you how to do a P.